Specialist, Technology Architect, Mid-Range Storage Solutions Exam DES-1D12 Updated questions are your best choice to test all the exam topics. 1. Which describes cascade replication on a Dell Unity XT? A. Synchronous replication of a file resource from sites A to B, then B to C, then C to D. B. Asynchronous replication of a block resource from sites A to B, then B to C, then C to D. C. Synchronous replication of a block resource from sites A to B, then B to C, then C to D. D. Asynchronous replication of a file resource from sites A to B, then B to C, then C to D. 2. How should Dell Unity XT storage pools be configured to minimize the chance of running out of space due to snapshot utilization? A. Set high and low watermarks to remove old snapshots. B. Set retention to a particular date and time. C. Change the number of days in the local retention policy. D. Change the frequency period on the snapshot schedule. 3. A Dell PowerStore protection policy contains 2 snapshot rules and 1 replication rule. Which storage resources will run only the snapshot rules? A. Virtual machines and file servers. B. Volumes and volume groups. C. Virtual machines and file systems. D. Volume groups and file systems. 4. A customer has invested much time using the Dell PS Series Host Integration Toolkit (HIT) to integrate SAN snapshot protection with Microsoft SQL Server native snapshot technology. The customer expresses concern about whether Dell EMC Series cross-platform replication supports that capability. What should be your response? A. Recreate integration on the SC series array and use only SC to SC replication for those volumes. B. Leverage the integration investment and use only PS to PS replication on those volumes. C. Cross-platform replication works with SC series HIT integrations. D. Cross-platform replication works with PS series HIT integrations. 5. A Dell PowerStore administrator has been asked to create a NAS file sharing environment for several clients. The clients will be running either Linux, NFS, or Windows, SMB, and must have access to the same data simultaneously. How can this be achieved using Dell PowerStore? A. Configure 2 NAS servers. Place all Linux data in one and all Windows data in the other. B. Configure a snapshot rule and protection policy and apply it to the file system. C. Configure multi-protocol access to required file system. D. Configure file data to be replicated for access by different client types. 6. Which are benefits of choosing the highest capacity flash drives when designing a Dell Unity XT All-Flash system? A. Enhances data security and system boot time. B. Lowers physical space power and cooling requirements. C. Decreases wear leveling, performance and redundancy requirements. D. Reduces maintenance and rebuild time. 7. A Dell PowerStore 9000X came online after being initially configured 7 days ago. The manager UL shows capacity but no forecasting metrics. Why are forecasting metrics not being displayed? A. Forecasting was not turned on during configuration. B. The capacity forecasting license must be installed. C. There is not enough capacity in the appliance. D. Forecasting will not display until 16 days after initial configuration. 8. A Dell EMC PowerStore customer plans to migrate storage volumes across appliances within a cluster. They want to use minimal effort to ensure that the appliance avoids reaching full capacity. Which method is recommended? A. Live migrate. B. Assisted migration. C. Resource balance. D. Volume placement. 9. A Dell Unity XT 480F system ships with 2 embedded modules, one for each SP. What does the embedded module provide? A. A fiber channel connectivity. B. Field service only. Circa CNA connectivity. D. Management. 10. What are characteristics of DET-RE on a Dell EMC Unity array? A. Impacts array only during implementation, has minimal impact on performance. B. Does not impact array during implementation, has some impact on performance for a moment. C. Impacts array for a moment after implementation, has no impact on performance. D. Does not impact array during implementation, has minimal impact on performance.